Next command is XLINE command. The shortcut for XLINE command is XL. Type XL in command prompt, press enter. There are many options for creating XLINE command. I select horizontal, click anywhere, select point. It will create a line with infinite length. You can also create some other lines. Press escape button for exit the command. Again I type XL, press enter. Now I select vertical and create anywhere vertical lines. Press escape button for exit the command. Again repeat the command. I press space button. Next is angle. Specify any angle. I type here 45 degree. Press enter. Click anywhere. It will create lines at 45 degree. Press escape button. Repeat command. Next is bisect. Select it. First point, second point. It will create lines which are bisecting these points. Next is offset. You can draw offset lines. You can also trim these lines. I type TR, double enter. Now select the line which you want to trim. XLINE command is very rare use in civil CAD, but mostly we can use line, polyline. But XLINE is also a command, so we discuss